Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Steam account on a desktop browser. This ensures full access to developer pages. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified and your account has any required protections like the mobile authenticator. Next, check that you can access the Steam community and your profile settings without extra prompts. These prerequisites reduce interruptions. Once done, proceed directly to the API key registration page within your account settings to begin the request. Now you fill out the Web API key form, enter the domain or a clear identifier for your project, and provide any required contact info. Make sure the domain uses a valid format. Steam uses this to tie the key to your app or site. After completing fields, read and accept the Steam Web API terms because compliance matters for access. Then submit the form and wait. Steam usually issues a key immediately on the confirmation page, so copy it exactly as shown. Finally, save your API key in a secure location such as an encrypted vault or environment variable. Do not commit it to public code. If you suspect compromise, return to account settings to revoke or regenerate the key immediately. If the key did not appear after submission, make sure your session is active, your email and mobile verification passed, and the domain field is valid. Refresh and retry. If problems persist, recheck Steam account restrictions and try again after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.